Hi, I'm Pete Douglas, Director of Business Finance Services. Just wanted a brief word today about property development. It's something that is becoming more and more common. If you look around, I'm sure where you live, you will see that someone somewhere is building a lot more, either houses or warehouses or whatever. Most of the funding for this comes from a larger number of large organisations, and the work is being done by well-established property developers. However, where we Business Finance Services come into the picture is in terms of helping the small and the startup property developers. Typical example is a client of ours who approached us about a year ago now, who had been up until that point doing a lot of property renovation. He'd got about 7 or 8 different properties where he'd simply bought them, renovated them and then let them out. He however wanted now to go into full property development, ground up, and he had actually already purchased the land but was having trouble finding anybody who would allow him a loan to be able to finance the actual building of the property itself. He'd got the planning permission, but nobody would lend it to him. He then came to us, and after a lot of discussion, we agreed that it would be possible, and we did indeed find him a lender who was prepared to make available the funds on agreeable terms, as a result of which he then ended up by building a very nice 3 floors of apartments in the middle of a particular town. We have now gone on with him with the same lender to actually arrange finance for a much bigger development, which will be a 4-story building with something in the region of 10 apartments in it. Again, the funding has been made available. His bank still would not support him because he hadn't got enough experience behind him, but our lender has been able to help him. The reason for mentioning this is that basically we are here to help those borrowers, those companies who do not have a strong enough either asset base or a history of success to attract the bigger, more developed lenders. So if you're thinking of getting into property development but you're having trouble, that your own bank won't support you at this stage, then the answer is come and talk to us, because we almost certainly will have people who can help you. So give us a call, Business Finance Services 0800 093 5240, or you can email us at inquiries@bufinserve.co.uk. Come the end of January, we're proposing to hold what is halfway between a seminar and a networking event, following the very successful seminars we ran last year and the year before. The idea is that we will have something in the region of 10 professional lending houses, which vary from some of the large banks to specialist funders in the realms of invoice finance, asset finance, etc., who will be making themselves available on the 31st of January at lunchtime to talk to anyone from SMEs or indeed accountants who want to talk about specific funding situations, or in general terms to talk about finance for their businesses. The event will be held on Friday the 31st of January at the Greens Restaurant, Collingtree Golf Course, starting at 12:30 through till approximately 2:30. Anyone, SME managers, owners, will be more than welcome to come and join us. Details we will be putting out on our website as well as on LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. We will ask you to register for the event through Eventbrite, as unfortunately numbers will be limited. But we would hope that you would come and join us and enjoy what will be a very pleasant and very interesting educational event meeting, we would ask you to click on the link below or go to our website where there is a link to the Eventbrite page where you can reserve your place. Numbers will be limited, so the sooner you actually can make a reservation, the better, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.